In the land of the pines, where the maples sway, Canadian critters frolic and play. From Rocky's might to Maritime's breeze, they dance through the forest and across the seas. Ranger, the guardian, his heart so bold, guiding the farm through summers and cold. Scout, his sidekick, agile and spry. Together they watch the vast Canadian sky. Llama the jester, with antics so grand, spreading laughter across the farm's wide land. Baby bunnies hop in joyous delight underneath the northern lights so bright. Pigs and rabbits, a lively crew, with cute remarks they steal the view. Reese and Renee on the farm they steer, nurturing critters, spreading joy and cheer. Through winter's snow and autumn's gold, in this great land their stories unfold. In the great white north, where spirits lift, Canadian critters are joy and gift.